By the meeting of the roads, I just fell to my knees when I knew I had to make a choice. It's a shame you said that I may never know how far I can sometimes go, how far I can sometimes go. And while my boat is drifting away by the shore of Miami Bay, I'm still trying to figure out the end of what I was starting to say. And you found all the footprints that I left in the loan when I spied on you every night. And I wish there was a secret that you said in your sleep, just a word that I could keep, or just a word that I could keep. And while my boat is drifting away by the shore of Miami Bay, I'm still trying to figure out the end of what I was starting to say. And I wish I was a comet to crash on your field, just to be remembered. And I wish I was a comet to crash at your feet, or just to be remembered. And while my boat is drifting away by the shore of Miami Bay, I'm still trying to figure out the end of what I was starting to say. Starting to say. Starting to say. Starting to say.
Yeah. You never had it easy, I know, but I still remember you and what we used to say. So I say, this my song for you, my friend. You can only see that I can hardly let things go. No, oh yeah. So listen to the sound of my voice. You better send him all my love. Just giving me no choice. No, no, no. Listen to the sound that he boys. A ragamuffin is a freedom fighter. He's handling a choice, and I know that the dear ragamuffin is a one-of-a friend. What you see is what you really did in the end. But what you're gonna do, I don't know. A dear ragamuffin shall not fall.